Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this deep dive into Apache Libcloud, a powerful Python library that abstracts the complexity of cloud provider APIs. With Libcloud, you write code once and deploy it across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and more. This makes it invaluable for developers building multi-cloud tools or trying to avoid vendor lock-in. It's open source, well-maintained, and widely used in DevOps and infrastructure automation. Libcloud shines when you need to manage resources across multiple clouds without rewriting code for each provider. It offers a consistent API, supports all major cloud platforms, and is perfect for automation tools. Whether you're provisioning VMs or managing DNS records, Libcloud streamlines the process. Libcloud offers a wide range of features including compute, storage, load balancing, DNS, and even container services. These features are abstracted behind a consistent API, making it easy to manage resources across providers without learning each provider's unique interface. Libcloud works by instantiating a driver for your chosen cloud provider, authenticating with credentials, and then using standardized methods to manage resources. This allows you to write portable code that works across different cloud environments without modification. Libcloud's architecture is built around modular drivers, each tailored to a specific cloud provider. The uniform API abstracts provider-specific differences, while the stateless design ensures scalability. Lazy loading is used to improve performance by loading resources only when needed. Libcloud supports all major cloud providers including Amazon EC2, Google Compute Engine, and Microsoft Azure. It also works with OpenStack, DigitalOcean, and many others. The library is extensible, allowing you to write custom drivers and is regularly updated by the community. Getting started with Libcloud is easy. Install it using pip, then configure provider-specific credentials. Import the drivers for your target cloud and test the connection with a simple authentication call. This sets the foundation for managing cloud resources. Libcloud's compute services allow you to provision and manage virtual machines across any supported cloud. You can list available images and sizes, start or stop instances, and terminate them when no longer needed. All of this is done through a consistent API. Storage services in Libcloud provide unified access to object storage systems like Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Blob Storage. You can upload, download, and manage files using consistent methods, making it easy to switch providers or use multiple simultaneously. Libcloud simplifies load balancer management by providing a consistent interface to create, configure, and monitor load balancers across cloud providers. You can add or remove backend nodes and monitor health, all through portable code. Libcloud's DNS services allow you to manage zones and records across providers like Route 53, Google Cloud DNS, and Azure DNS. You can create various record types and manage them through a single, consistent API, perfect for multi-cloud deployments. With container services support, Libcloud enables you to manage Kubernetes clusters and interact with container registries across cloud providers. This is especially useful for DevOps teams looking to automate containerized deployments. Libcloud abstracts authentication by handling provider-specific methods like API keys, OAuth, and tokens. This ensures secure and portable authentication across cloud providers, simplifying multi-cloud workflows. Libcloud is designed for performance and scalability. It uses a stateless architecture with no persistent connections, is thread-safe for concurrent operations, and employs lazy loading to efficiently manage resources. Performance ultimately depends on the underlying provider APIs. Libcloud is used in real-world applications like multi-cloud backup tools, infrastructure as code frameworks, cloud migration utilities, and cost optimization platforms. These tools benefit from Libcloud's portable and consistent API. While powerful, Libcloud has some limitations. It doesn't expose all provider-specific features, requires internet access, and has a learning curve due to its abstraction layers. Performance is also dependent on the underlying provider APIs. Libcloud is maintained by the Apache Software Foundation and has an active open-source community. It receives regular updates and security patches, and is extensible with custom drivers for specialized use cases. Compared to tools like Boto 3, Terraform, and Ansible, Libcloud stands out for its portable multi-cloud API. While other tools may be provider-specific or focused on infrastructure as code, Libcloud provides a consistent interface across clouds. To master Libcloud, start with installation and authentication, then learn core concepts like node driver. Build simple scripts to provision VMs, explore advanced features like DNS management, and eventually implement your own multi-cloud tools. When using Libcloud, follow best practices like storing credentials in environment variables, handling exceptions gracefully, leveraging lazy loading for performance, and testing your code across multiple providers to ensure portability. Security is crucial when using Libcloud. Store credentials securely, use IAM roles where possible, monitor API usage, and keep your Libcloud version up to date to benefit from the latest security patches. When debugging Libcloud applications, enable debug logging, consult provider-specific documentation, use try-except blocks for error handling, and validate that your credentials and permissions are correct. Libcloud supports advanced compute features like custom VM images, snapshots, auto-scaling groups, and network configurations. These features enable complex multi-region deployment strategies and scalable infrastructure. Libcloud's storage services go beyond basic file management. You can manage buckets, set lifecycle policies, enable versioning, configure cross-region replication, and control access permissions for secure storage. Libcloud enables advanced networking and security configurations including VPC management, firewall rules, load balancer SSL setup, and private network configurations like VPNs for secure cloud environments. Libcloud can be integrated with monitoring and logging systems to track resource usage, log API calls, set up alerts, and gain insights into your cloud infrastructure performance and security. With Libcloud, you can build tools to track resource usage, automate cost optimization, compare pricing across providers, and implement budget alerts to keep your cloud spending under control. Libcloud integrates seamlessly with CI/CD pipelines like Jenkins and GitHub Actions. It enables infrastructure as code practices, automated deployments, and robust rollback and recovery strategies for reliable cloud operations. Libcloud is ideal for building disaster recovery solutions. Automate backups, replicate data across regions or clouds, implement failover strategies, and regularly test your recovery plans to ensure business continuity. Libcloud supports hybrid cloud strategies by providing a unified interface to manage both on-premises and cloud resources. Implement secure connectivity, optimize workload placement, and simplify management across environments. Libcloud serves as the foundation for multi-cloud orchestration tools. Orchestrate workloads, balance loads, optimize performance, and implement failover strategies across multiple cloud providers seamlessly. The future of Libcloud looks bright with growing provider support, enhanced container services, improved performance, and active community development, ensuring it remains a key tool for multi-cloud management. To get started with Libcloud, explore the official documentation, join community forums, review sample projects, and check out the Libcloud GitHub repository for code examples and updates. Avoid common pitfalls like hard-coding credentials, ignoring provider limitations, not handling API rate limits, and skipping cross-provider testing. These mistakes can lead to security issues and deployment failures. Optimize Libcloud performance by using lazy loading effectively, batching API calls, caching data, and monitoring performance to identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency. In this case study, we explore a multi-cloud backup tool built with Libcloud. It automates backups across AWS, Azure, and GCP, uses Libcloud for unified storage access, implements lifecycle policies, and monitors backup status with alerts. Apache Libcloud simplifies multi-cloud management with its portable, scalable, and secure design. It's ideal for DevOps and automation tasks. Start building your multi-cloud solutions with Libcloud today and unlock the power of cloud-agnostic development. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.